Damn, look at the wide body. Turn or something. I feel like, you see what I'm saying? When I turn, that's all I can What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J. You see we back with another video game. But today, bro, we be showing y'all boys we got the Widebody fenders finally put on the Jeep, you feel me? And we got the side skirts as well. The side skirts is different, but they perfectly fit the fenders, as you guys can see. Let me turn on the flash. There you go. I know it's hard to see. And as you can see back here, the back bumper is supposed to come in, I think, next week, bro. So next week video, y'all gonna see the back bumper in, and it connect to the fender flip back there. And I did have to move and kind of cut my little ramp a little bit and move that down there, cause as you can see, the fender flares, it's way bigger than the other ones that I had on here. But not only that, bro. I had to, my bad, y'all. Let me turn the flash. My bad, y'all. I had to turn the flash down some, but I did another mod, bro, that I ain't show y'all boys. And I know y'all gonna like it a lot, bro. Y'all gonna have a lot of questions. But look, bro, I'm about to show y'all. As you can see, no, I don't have an engine light, bro. I just don't have the truck actually on, but I'm about to turn it on. As you can see, bro, I have the SRT steering wheel. Let me turn the flash on so y'all can actually see. I know this part is way up and messed up, but this is the full SRT steering wheel. And I have the little middle console piece as well. So these are just two little mods that I had to do on the Jeep, bro. As y'all can see, I had to do these two mods, and as y'all already know, I already have the SRT pages on her on my Jeep. So I feel like, honestly, one thing that I thought about, I feel like since I already have the SRT pages on her, when I engine swap it, I might not even need a PCM, because my PCM is already kind of reprogrammed to SRT Jeep. You see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying, bro? Like, I got all the features and everything. I got all the features. I could change. I got all the features and everything, bro. But I didn't have the plug to this. But I know once I get the wiring harness and everything for the 6.4 SRT Jeep, I know it's gonna come with the plug for this, so I'm not really tripping right now. But I already got this, and I got the steering wheel. I might even upgrade to the light up steering wheel, bro. So that's why I'm not really tripping on this. But I just wanted to show y'all boys that I actually put the SRT steering wheel in here. It really look good, bro. I still got the stars in here too, but I got the brightness all the way down. Let me turn it up for y'all. As you can see, bro, they got a brightness level on them. I can legit change the brightness to whatever level I want, bro. But I just was showing y'all boys, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The SRT steering wheel do look crazy in here, bro. With the blue, it really do look good, bro. Then I got the wide body fenders already on there, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. Let me turn the flash down. My bad, y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys though. I also got another mod on the way, bro, that I didn't tell y'all about yet, but it's coming soon, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, bro. I got Brembo brakes. I'm gonna upgrade my brakes, and then I'm gonna want to upgrade the suspension, and then I'm gonna be engine swapping, bro. But the brakes upgrade is already on the way, bro. I really just gotta wait probably like, I think probably next week or the end of this week, it's gonna come in. I think it's probably gonna be next week though. Next week is probably gonna come in, and I'm gonna probably do the upgrade the week after that or something like that, bro. But y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned, bro. If you new, man, and you got any questions, bro, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Young J. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video game. We out.
Bro, no trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo. She know I'm tryna fuck, I don't play no games, this ain't Nintendo. Nigga, I ain't GCM, but shit, get cheese, that be the motto. Got ball heads in the clip, had to tell the cheese, go get some hollow. Stop flexing with that fucking
Yeah, the footage? Damn, look at the Widebody. Oh my goodness. Hey, how that been looked at? It sounded like my shit was about to fly out the Widebody. My shit was rubbing. I don't know if it was rubbing the tire or something was rubbing on that. Huh? Yeah, it sounded like it was rubbing. Something was rubbing. I don't know if the tire's too big. When I be turning, son, I feel like, you see what I'm saying? When I turn, bro, don't it look like if I turn, bro, it's gonna rub the bumper? I'm tripping. Nah, your shit closer than mine. You think if I be feeling like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Your shit closer than mine. I ain't gonna know this dude. Show the YouTube what's going.
V6.
Oh yeah, it's a V6, but he got a straight V6 coming out. Hey, start it up, man. Start it up, man. Start it up. Don't.
You gotta reset this, man.
He trying to get active. What he got? Huh? Better imagine if we raced some bitches. I ain't gonna lie, I know this big gonna win. Y'all see my boy got the AET. So my boy got a pretty stop. Okay. Oh, that been clean though. You gonna let them know, man? Shout yourself out, my boy.
I don't know what to shout out. Exactly, I got nothing to shout out for my Instagram.
You wanna tell them your Instagram?
Yeah.
Tell them your Instagram.
At my Instagram, man, _GCM1. I'm about to make a car channel.
Yeah, y'all follow my brother, man. I ain't gonna let her. But as y'all can see, man, we out here. We got a Jeep in the back too. You already know what time it is, man. They got Lamaro over there too, but I'm gonna just show y'all a sneak peek at a Widebody to start the video off. I ain't gonna lie, son. It looks so good on camera, bro. You close that video. We gonna have an angle on the to get the
I'm gonna go and get a stimble. I'm gonna take that.